And that was our daily forecast. Hi, I'm here to talk to you about Hurricane Bob. Hurricane Bob is headed straight for South Sandwich Island. It is swirling and swirling. Oh look, it's a flying fish. Back to you, Maya Myers.
Hello, this is Maya Myers, and I'm reporting to you about Hurricane Bob. Hurricane Bob is taking place on South Sandwich Island. As you can see, it's whirling, whirling, whirling. Oh look, it's a flying fish. Back to you, Jill Flanagan.
Hi, I am Jill Flanagan, and I'm here to talk to you about the aftermath of Hurricane Bob. Hurricane Bob has started a river flowing through South Sandwich Island. Oh look, it's a floating girl. Oh dear, she's not floating anymore.
Technical difficulties.